putting ourselves, being a little bit hypocritical, and we wanted to walk the walk more as opposed to just putting a bumper sticker on our car or whatever it was. And that a lot of stuff was already in the works here at the Marine Lab. You know, right now we're sitting in a green building, and before that, people like Sean and Dominic have really done a lot of little pieces to make life a bit greener here at the Marine Lab. And so the idea was to build on the momentum of the green building and kind of have an active, obvious, central green voice as opposed to all these little scattered voices.
For one thing, we got our marina here at the Duke Marine Lab certified as a clean marina, which means that we follow best management practices and try to minimize our impact on our beautiful local environment here.
Another thing is we worked with Sean Connor in the dining hall and Dominic to actually get sustainable seafood on the menus every Friday, so that it's local and sustainably caught, so that we're not incurring large transportation.
Rima is one of our newer members, and she's what we're currently working on because we're trying to increase our membership. And so Elliot organized this mug program here that we sell mugs, and then you can get a membership, or you can stay an associate if you just want to support us through a mug but not become a member. And then you can, you know, anyone's always welcome to come to the meetings and participate in projects, and they can contact any one of us. So one that's kind of off in the distance is composting our organic scraps here at the Marine Lab, and so we're trying to get people who identify with a project to take the lead and then form a little group around it.
I teach students about how to actually implement environmentally sustainable practices. So each week is a different sort of module. We're going to cover a lot of different topics with seminars are really trying to bring community members into the Marine Lab, and that they'll have a real local focus about how people can improve their daily practices: green gardening, watershed, water use, green buildings, what they consume, how they consume.
There's only so much that we can do on this island, and we are hoping to grow outside of the island, but we figure it's best just to start here before we get it. The email is greenwave@duke.edu.
We're going to be a persistent presence here at the Marine Lab, and that's why it's really important to us to have new recruits and new people take on, because we will soon graduate, so we need more graduate students, master's students, as well as undergrads when they come through to really become active and keep the green wave going here at the Marine Lab.